Welcome to First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joey Baird. We're not in the garden today. We're in our grow room with our indoor tomato growing system. These are tiny Tim tomatoes that we started about 3 months ago in 1 gallon. We started them in a party cup and then we moved them into 1 gallon grow bags from rootmaker.com. They're in a 10 by 20 flat. 3 of them fit nicely in there. You can see that. This couple of flats had some holes in it, so we took some plastic that we already had and basically created essentially a little pool, I guess you'd say, to keep it from dripping through. And then we only put enough water in there for the plants to absorb. And we'll feed these a compost tea about once a month. These will get about this height. They're about 18 inches high, and they may get a little bit higher, but this is about it. Now, in this type of scenario, these are cherry, grape tomatoes, that type of thing. Not something that you're going to have enough to can with, but enough that you can have enough for a salad or two over the course of a growing cycle. We've got some more down there. Pull those off. We have a lot of flowers that's starting to develop here, and just the wind of walking by and touching these will self-pollinate. Tomatoes are self-pollination based, with the wind and everything. So I've got it set up on one of these old, poorly designed greenhouses, indoor greenhouses. We destroyed and took apart a couple of years ago, and I've kind of reshaped it with the lats that the shelving was on the top here to get it high enough with our 2 Happy Leaf LED grow lights. Not needing for both of them, we just had 2, so we used both of them. This would work very well in a 3-season porch where it's getting a lot of ambient light or a south-facing window, and you could rotate the plants every day. So this can be done at any time of the year. Tomatoes are not a daylight sensitive plant. So you could start this in July or December or January 7th. Get them started, move them over, good potting soil, feed the soil, and the plants will grow and produce, and you can have tomatoes year round. Thanks for joining me. Join me again next time for more First Garden, New Gardener.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.